good evening, good morning, good whatever. It's another Valentine's tomorrow, and happy Valentine to all of you. And anyway, so I got chocolate candy for my husband, and tomorrow's our anniversary. Anyway, I just want to say happy Valentine and have fun, enjoy yourself, and whatever you do, just stay warm and have a great time. Today's early anniversary dinner. Went out and just have something. Just go out and have a cocktail, and we get a little something for the girls, and so that this is what my husband got me right there. And so he gave me that, and also he got me a card. It's in the living room. I'm in the kitchen right now, and you can tell. Right now we got stove going. See? And anyway, and happy Valentine, and thank you. Thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate that. And much love to all of you, and thank you, and bye. Thumbs up if you call, and bye bye.